Hello friends, today we are going to solve problem longest increasing subsequence. Okay, suppose we are given a list L1. Okay, we have list L1 and it has some elements, and then we have to find longest increasing subsequence. So in this sequence we found 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 11 as the longest increasing subsequence, or which is of length 6. Okay, we have another sequences, increasing sequences like 1, 10, 11, which is of length 3, 1, 7, 8, 9, 11, which is of length 5. But we don't care about this because we have to find the longest increasing subsequence. Okay, so the basic question arises: how do we solve such kinds of questions? So we are dividing this set into a smaller parts like 1, 2, 3, and after solving sub problems we will solve a larger problems. Like I will divide this list into one, like 1. Suppose there is only one element in a set, like 11. So I will say that how many elements are greater than 11. So basically there is 0. Then I will increase my list. How many elements are greater than 9? So I will check that 11 is greater than 9. So I will add 1 plus how many elements are greater than 11, because if that element is greater than 11 means it is also greater than 9. Yes, so basically there is 0 element is greater than 11, so answer is 1 for the list 9. In this way, how many elements are greater than 8? So I will check that is 9 is greater than 8. Yes, it is greater than 8. So how many elements are greater than 9? So basically there is one element is greater than 9. So I will update my list like 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. So this list is like 8, 9, 11. Okay, then I get to 11. How many elements are greater than 11? So the first thing I will check that is 11 is greater than 8. Yes, it is greater than 8. Okay, then how many elements are greater than 11? There is 0 elements are greater than 11. So it is 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. But I will not update the value because 8, 11, it is also an increasing subsequence. This is also an increasing subsequence, but this is of length 3 and this is of length 2. So I will not consider these elements. I will just consider this value. In the same way, how I will check that is 8 is greater than 3. Yes, it is greater than 3. So how many elements are greater than 8? So there are 2 elements are greater than 8. So I will add 1 because 8 is greater than 3. And how many elements are greater than 8? So basically there are 2 elements. So it results into 3. So our list is like 3, 8, 9, 11, which is of element there, which is of length 4. Okay, there are 3 increasing sequences. When we consider 3, when we consider 2, now our list is becoming larger. You can see that I have starting with the element 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, and finally we are at the element 5. So I will check that is 3 is greater than 2. Yes, it is greater than 3. It is greater than 2. So how many elements are greater than 3? So basically there are 3 elements are greater than 3. So what I will do, I will just 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. There are 4 increasing sequences, like it is like 2, 3, 8, 9, 11. There are 4 increasing sequences and there are 5 elements. Okay, so I will update that value. Then I will check further, is 8 greater than 2? Yes, it is greater than 2, but this list is like 2, 8, 9, 11. So I will not update the value because it is smaller than this value. In the same way, I will check further, and I found that this is the until now this is the longest list. Then I will increase my list up to 7. Now for 7, I will check that is 2 is greater than 7. No, this is not greater than 7. Now at 3, is it greater than 7? No, this is also not greater than 7. Is 8 greater than 7? Yes, it is greater than 7. So what I will do, I will update 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So basically there are 3 elements are greater than 7. Okay, because there are 2 elements are greater than 8. So the list is like 7, 8, 9, 11, which is of length 4, and there are 3 increases sequences. Okay, at the 10, how many elements are greater than 10? So I will check that. Is 7 greater than 10? No. 2, no. 3, no. 8, no. 9, no. Then we found 11. Yes, it is greater than 11. 11 is greater than 10. So I will update value this, and plus 0, because there are 0 elements are greater than 11. So its value will be 1. Now at 1, how many elements are greater than 1? Or we can say that I will iterate through the every elements. Is 10 is greater than 1? Yes, it is greater than 1. Then what is value? 1 plus 1 element is greater than 10. So its value will be 2. So this list is like 1, 10, 11, because after 10, 11 is greater than this. So this element, these are 3 elements. Okay, and 2 increasing sequences. Then I get to 7. How many elements are greater than 7? And is 7 is greater than 1? Yes. So there are basically 3 elements are greater than 7. So I will update that value, because now this becomes larger. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So the list is like here 1, 7, 8, 9, 11, and the list is updated, and there are 5 elements. Okay, then I will move further. I get to the 2. How many elements are? Is 2 is greater than 1? Yes, it is greater than 1. Then how many elements are greater than 2? So basically there are 4 elements are greater than 2. Means these 4 elements are also greater than 1, and there are in increasing sequences. 1 plus 4 becomes 5. Now I will again update that value, because it is like 1, 2, 3, 8, 11. So this will be of length 6, and at that value this is the max. So in this process I was maintaining a variable max, so that it can check for the maximum value. So until now we have encountered max is equal to 6, which is of length 6. Okay, so thank you. If you like this video, you can subscribe my channel, and if you have any better suggestion or solution than this, you can put your comments